The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
That last item you heard on that open, growth and income. That's what we're going to talk about here with Nina Mishra, who is the editor of Zacks Income Investor. You have a couple of stocks in the growth and income category that have piqued your interest. One is in the defense area. So defense stocks have been soaring since the election?
Yeah, they have been doing so well because Trump had promised boosting military spending on the campaign trail. And now with the Republican sweep of the Congress, I think that is going to happen soon, maybe sometime next year. And in fact, we may also see some much needed reforms in that area. So that is going to be good for defense stocks. That's why they have been rising. And
in that category, you've got Lockheed Martin.
Yes. So Lockheed Martin reported excellent results for the quarter, and you can see those the big beat over here on the detailed estimates page for the company. And they beat both on the top and bottom lines, and the management was really optimistic for the fiscal year 2017, for next year. And after elections, that outlook obviously has improved further. In fact, if you look at the price and EPS surprise chart, it looks beautiful. They have had just one miss in the last 5 years.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's a great record. And so analysts have been raising their estimates for the company. They have been really bullish after these excellent results and upgraded guidance. You can see the big surge in estimates for the stock over the past few days after results. So that looks great. And they also pay a good dividend.
Yeah, 2.5%, right?
Yeah, more than 2.5%.
That's what we like to see.
Yes, for growth and income, yeah. And they have scored well on style metrics as well, B for growth, value, as well as momentum, resulting in a VGM score of B for the stock. And it's a Zacks rank 2 buy ranked stock.
Okay. Something else that you're interested in here is Big Five Sporting Goods. Totally different from the first category.
Yes.
It's a retailer.
It's a retailer. They have stores, mostly sporting goods stores, mostly in the western US, and they seem to have benefited a lot from recent liquidation of a couple of their competitors, Sports Authority and Sport Chalet, which obviously had a lot of stores in the same area of operation. So they also reported excellent results, beating on both the top and bottom lines. And again, management was really optimistic about good results in the fourth quarter, the holiday quarter as well. And for this stock also, if you go to detailed estimates page, you can see the big beat over there. And you can also see that analysts have been raising their estimates for the company. Here you can see the big surge in estimates after results. So that sent the stock to a Zacks rank 2. And this stock looks very good in terms of style scores as well. It has A for value, A for growth, and as well as A for momentum, resulting in a VGM score of A. This stock, the company has been paying, returning a lot of cash to investors in the form of buybacks and dividends, which I like.
Yeah, if I'm reading correctly here, that dividend situation was raised twice this year?
Yes, so along with this earnings, this quarter's earnings, reported quarter's earnings announcement, they raised the dividend by 20%, and this was their second dividend increase this year in 2016.
Wow.
And their dividend is up 50% now this year from from the level at the beginning of the year. So that's great.
That's almost unheard of, 2 dividend increases in a year.
Yeah, and big increases.
Especially with a retailer.
With a retailer, yeah. So I think they are going to do well in the holiday quarter, and we should see more, return of capital to shareholders. Their dividend yield is about 2.5%, which is great in the current environment as of now. And this is also a Zacks rank 2.
Can't wait to see what they hike it to next year.
Yeah, sure, that would be nice.
All right, do you own either of these two?
I own Lockheed Martin in the income investor portfolio.
Okay, but not outside of the portfolio.
Not outside of the portfolio.
Okay, thank you. Don't forget you can find more information on these 2 companies and more on our website, Zacks.com. Get on over, link to it all off the homepage, search stocks by ticker. Just put the stock symbol in the search box at the top of the website, and you can get all the information you're looking for. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.